My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Mesmerised. Mesmerised is a new ransomware belonging to a special ransomware family of computer infections. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover some of your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to do that. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this mesmerized ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. And then pretty soon, users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages the files essentially, so it is impossible to use the data. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. The ransomware is called Mesmerised because it actually appends this extension called Mesmerised. And it also changes the desktop background into this really silly one. Anyway, don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the software, and start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The application is initially in the trial mode, so only a quick scan option is available in the trial mode. And then the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scan you will see the summary of all the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the system. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license, which is a much better solution for having your files always protected. The files are protected with the help of the anti-ransomware feature. This feature, though, does not decrypt files, but as I said, it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data in the future. At the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.